Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Gwen, and for today's video we're doing some DIY phone charms. They have been very trendy in the past couple of months on TikToks and all over social media. So I want to give them a try. I want to make two style. One will be a pearl and like Vegas theme because I'm gonna go to Vegas in a week, and then the other one will be more of a yellow smiley face pearl theme. I've been so into yellow smiley faces lately. I just think it's really happy and positive and good vibes. So I'm gonna be making two phone charms. For the Vegas one, I'm going to make some glow-in-the-dark charms. We're gonna be going to the club one of the days, and I wanted to like glow in the dark. I think it'll be fun. I will be sharing with you my tips on how to make the glow-in-the-dark charms glow. If you guys are interested and want to come along with me in making these phone charms, then continue watching. So the theme of this phone charm is pearls and charms, so you will need a lot of pearls. These are 6mm. This one I got from Amazon and this one I got from Michaels. They're basically the same thing, but the Michaels look more higher quality. And then you'll need some charms. These are the glow-in-the-dark UV charms. They are 7mm. And then I got these yellow smiley faces charms from Amazon. They're so cute. I think these are really cute smiley faces, and they're double-sided. They are 10mm. So if you guys are interested, they're kind of expensive though. So if you're interested, I will link everything down below. And then I have some dice. I'm going to be making two phone charms. One will be smiley face pearl theme. The other one will be Vegas theme. And then I have these little polymer clay smiley face flower charms. They kind of give me Murakami vibes. Doesn't it remind you of middle school eraser? They're also 10mm, so they are the same size as the smiley face. And then you will need a little like binder clippers or some kind of stopper, a measuring tool, and a scissor. And why do you need a lighter? I'll explain in a little bit. You're gonna need some type of tray so then you can keep your beads organized while you're stringing them. And you will be needing some type of threading wire. This one is the wax cord at 0.5mm in white. I really recommend you getting this thread for the phone charms because this is like the best type of wire to use for your phone charm. It's kind of like a thread, but it's thick and it's high quality. The soft flat bonding wire. Let me show you what they look like side by side. This wire is smaller. It's 0.36mm versus 0.5, and it's easier for me to string through the beads. We'll show you in this video how to use both. If you are doing like bigger beads and bigger charms, then this thread will work best. So you know how these are supposed to be UV glow-in-the-dark beads, but they're not even glowing? See? Where's the glow? They're not really glowing. Okay, so you want to know a tip to make them glow? Take them outside and put them directly under the sunlight. There's not a lot of sun today. Oh, there's some sun. So you expose the UV beads under the light. It's been a couple of minutes and you can see some of the beads are absorbing a lot of the UV ray and they're turning a little hint of green. Okay, now let's take them inside and look at this. They're glowing. Crazy, huh? Isn't that cool? So that's option one. Option two, oh look at comparison. You see how this is green and these are the beads that has been sitting inside, not glowing. Option two, to make these beads glow, because obviously if you're like at the club or at night and you don't have the sun or you haven't been exposing them to the sun, just turn on your flashlight, and I'm gonna place the flashlight on top of the beads and leave it there for a couple of seconds. Take it out. Voila! Isn't that cool? So that's how you're gonna make them glow. So the charm itself is going to be 15 inches. Yours can be as long or as short as you want, but mine's gonna be 15. And then I have some extra just in case I messed up, about 26 inches long total, but the charms is only gonna be up to 15 inch. So there's gonna be two ways to tie off your phone charm. One way is having the knot at the bottom of your charm, and the other way is having the knot at the top of your phone charm. I'm going to be doing the way with the knot at the top of the phone charm, the one that's gonna go into the phone and sticks out and looks ugly at the top, but you can always hide it. So that's the way I'm doing. Put on the binder clips at the end of one of the wires, and then now we're gonna start beading. I'm starting off with the pearl. More pearl. I'm putting on my dice because this is gonna be the Vegas theme charm. Okay, I'm gonna speed up the video, but I'm going to show you what the design looked like in a line, so you can take a screenshot if you're interested in duplicating the same design as me. If not, you can create whatever design you want. And I'm done. Look how cute this little combo is looking like. Ends at 15, and then I have some extra room here, some extra string for us to make the little loop that's gonna go onto your phone case. So after you're done, start pulling this down and then hold the two ends of the string like this. Oh my god, look how cute this is. And then you're gonna tie a knot. Make it tight. You're gonna tie another knot. Make sure it's tight. We're gonna do 3 knots. 3 knots. And let's test and try to pull. Okay. So this is really good now. Dang, my beading wire is like all bent. It's so ugly. That's why the thread is gonna be really good, because the beading wire has a little bit of metal inside and it gets like bent. Okay, so this is the last step. You wanna have a little bit of space, like this much. This part is gonna go inside your phone case. Hold it, twist, and you're gonna create one of those like knot thingies. Put it through and give yourself like some space. I'm gonna give myself this much. Hold your finger at the spot where you want the knot to fold and just keep pushing it to that spot like this. So you should have this much room, and then just pull it to see if it's secured. Okay, cool. So you cut this part off. Okay, so this is done. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, so fun. This little thing is so ugly. So take out your phone, and then there's that like hole on the side. You loop it through here and open that hole up. You string through. So you just want to put the little ugly string thing inside. Take your phone and place it on top, and that's it. This is what it finally looks like, and I think this is the perfect length. It's not too long and not too short. So the glow-in-the-dark charms are right at the camera section, and right now it's not glowing, right? And turn on your flashlight for a couple of seconds. Glowing. If you want it to glow longer, you have to do it for longer, but regardless if it's glowing or not, it still looks really cute. Hey guys, so I'm taking a little intermission break to share with you my jewelry piece from my Etsy shop. I think this piece is perfect for the summer. I'm wearing it right now. These are the new huggy hoops that I just add to my collection. They are thick 3mm hoops with the diamond rhinestones in the middle, and they are so pretty. So they kind of look like this. They are so freaking pretty in person. They're super versatile. If you don't want to wear the charm, you can take them out and just wear the huggies by itself. This is what the earrings look like on its own. It's like very classy. It's just like a super cute, easy to wear earring. So you kind of get 2 in 1 for the earrings. Okay, so I thought I'd share that because I think they are the perfect earrings for the summertime. Okay, back to the video. So we just finished one charm. Now I'm gonna do my second design, so if you guys are interested, continue watching. Okay, so this time around, we're not gonna tie the knotting technique up here. We're gonna do it down at the bottom. Okay, so take your string. These are 2 ends, put them together, slide to the top, and then this thing right here is gonna be the loop that's gonna go into your phone. So you take this, loop it around, put it into this hole, and give it enough space so then you can loop the charm around. So this should be enough space, like your finger and a half. That should be enough, and then secure it. And you can test by doing this. Okay, so it's good. And then slide it back to the bottom, and now you can start beading the 2 sides of the string. I'm gonna be using the Michaels 6mm beads. We're gonna string each side up to 7.5, 7.5, 7.5. And honestly, even though the pearls from Michaels, the holes are a little bit bigger, it's still hard for me to string it through this beading wire. So I end up burning the tip and then just shaping it to a point so then I can string it through the beads easily. My recommendation is do not buy pearls less than 6 millimeters, so 8 millimeter plus, so you don't have to deal with this situation. I really like using these type of thread for phone charms versus the other beading wires, so just use a bigger pearl. Okay guys, this is where I decided to stop my charm. So I did the pattern like this. You can take a screenshot if you want exactly the same design as mine. I started the string from here, just a little bit more than 7 inch. I'm gonna tie these two together to close the charm. And now for us to close off the charm, I'm going to tie a knot on this end, and this is going to be the bottom of the charm. Oh my god, look how cute this is. Super cute. Okay, so just tie a knot, make sure it's all tight, and then double knot it and secure. Make sure it's really tight, and then just knot it one more time, so 3 knot. Okay, now it should be good. Take your scissors and cut off the ends. And that's it. This is the finished charm. So you see how now there's like a little knot situation going down here. So it's up to you if you want to do this type of close off or you want to do this other type. Okay, so let's add the charm to our phone. Okay, so loop it in this way, put the charm through, and put your phone. Ta-da! Comment down below and let me know which one you like better, this one or this one. I think this one's my favorite. Really like using the string. It looks cleaner and it just looks way better than this beading wire. But don't forget to use bigger pearls because this was a pain stringing it through here. It was so freaking hard. Just to show you what this looks like on, you can carry it on your hand if you're busy carrying a bunch of stuff. If you want to make the UV glow-in-the-dark glow, bring it outside, put it under the sun, wait a couple of minutes. So I'm down in the basement and I want to show you the glow-in-the-dark charm and then the other charm. Isn't it cool? Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do end up making these. Don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell to get notified when I post next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!